Have you ever thought your memory couldn't improve? Many people believe that forgetfulness is inevitable after age 60. However, science proves otherwise. The brain has the ability to regenerate thanks to a surprising power called neuroplasticity, even at advanced age. Marta, 68, experienced a harrowing moment. One afternoon, she forgot how to get home after visiting a friend. She felt lost and scared. That moment marked her life, but it also sparked a hopeful question: was it possible to regain mental clarity again? Before discovering a natural method, Marta relied on notes posted all over the house. She needed constant help from her husband to remember basic things. After a few weeks of simple changes, she was back to reading novels, conversing fluently, and enjoying life without fear. The surprising thing is that the transformation didn't take years. In just 21 days, Marta noticed significant changes. 3 months later, her grandchildren were saying, "Grandma is more awake than ever." This experience confirms that neuroplasticity can restore memory and vitality in a very short time. Stay until the end of this video, because you'll discover 4 effective steps to reactivate neuroplasticity after 60. You'll also hear inspiring testimonials and easy-to-apply tips from home. What follows is not only educational, it can also completely transform your present. Neuroplasticity explained easily. According to the World Health Organization, 4 out of 10 adults over the age of 60 experience memory problems. This figure seems alarming, but here's the silver lining: the brain never stops adapting. This natural ability is called neuroplasticity, and it's the key to everything. Neuroplasticity means the brain can create new neural connections at any age. When you learn a song, practice a new hobby, or remember important details, your mind reinforces those internal pathways. It's like building invisible bridges that maintain and restore lost mental clarity. Jose, 72, shared his experience. "I would forget where I put my keys, and my wife would get frustrated," he said. After practicing daily exercises, he not only improved his memory, but also regained patience and joy. Thanks to his perseverance, his family relationships became harmonious again. Lucia, 65, also experienced a noticeable change. She used to avoid gatherings because she struggled to follow long conversations. "I was embarrassed about forgetting what they were saying," she confessed. With new habits, she regained her fluency in expressing herself. Now she enjoys talking with friends and family without fear of going blank. Can you imagine achieving the same thing as Jose and Lucia? Regaining mental clarity, maintaining independence, and enjoying new experiences. That's the true gift of neuroplasticity. And the best is yet to come, because you'll soon learn the concrete steps to activate this very special natural power. What you just heard sounds incredible, but it's completely real. Neuroplasticity proves that it's never too late to learn and regenerate your brain. The big question is, how can you activate it in your daily life? The answer lies in 4 simple steps that transform everything. Ignoring this power has serious consequences. Small oversights can turn into bigger problems. First, you stop reading, then you avoid social gatherings, and finally, you fear losing your independence. But here's the encouraging part: by activating neuroplasticity, everything changes. And anyone, regardless of age, can achieve it. Before showing you the steps, I want to invite you to reflect for a moment. What would you do first if your memory improved? Would you read books, learn a language, or simply remember conversations? That personal vision will be your driving force as you begin to transform your brain. Imagine your life with more clarity. Step 1: Daily mental exercises. The first step is daily mental exercises. Just like muscles, the brain needs constant training. Simple activities like reading aloud, writing down memories, solving crossword puzzles, or learning new words awaken neurons. The key isn't difficulty, but daily consistency. The benefits appear quickly. Reading a text and remembering it improves your attention span. Solving puzzles strengthens your memory. Most importantly, these small victories boost confidence. Each mental exercise sends a message to your brain: I'm awake, I want to learn more, and keep moving forward. To apply it, dedicate 10 minutes a day to a mental challenge. It could be memorizing a number, writing a personal journal, or reading a short article. You don't need technology or great effort. Constant repetition is the key. Remember, consistency always trumps perfection in results. Maria, 66, experienced this power. I was constantly forgetting addresses. I started with crossword puzzles, and within a month I was solving several without difficulty. Today I even memorize entire poems, she recounted excitedly. Her story demonstrates how daily mental exercises transform memory and restore personal confidence in a short time. Now, if exercising your brain is essential, moving your body is even more so. Because physical movement not only strengthens muscles, it also stimulates the creation of new neurons. That's precisely why the second step of the method is so powerful and absolutely necessary. Step 2: Movement and Neurogenesis. The second step is movement. Physical exercise activates neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells. Walking, dancing, gentle yoga, or swimming are all very effective activities. Your moving body becomes a direct ally of your growing mind. The benefit is twofold: your memory is strengthened and your energy increases. Studies confirm that walking 30 minutes a day improves attention and concentration. Furthermore, movement releases endorphins that reduce anxiety and lift your mood. Body and mind work together in harmony. Roll, 74, experienced it firsthand. I felt tired and forgetful. I started walking every morning. Now I have energy and remember more things. His testimony demonstrates that movement, even simple ones, boosts memory and restores vitality with daily consistency. You don't need a gym or complicated routines. Choose an activity you truly enjoy: dancing to your favorite music, gardening, or taking a walk outdoors. The important thing is to move every day without excuses. Remember, every step you take also profoundly strengthens your neurons. As you can see, physical exercise is a fundamental pillar of neuroplasticity. But something equally important is still missing. Your brain, like an engine, needs quality fuel. That's precisely why the third step of the method is to fuel your mind intelligently. Step 3: Food for the brain. The third step is nutrition. What you eat directly impacts your memory. Oily fish, nuts, avocado, red fruits, and green vegetables are essential nutrients for the brain. These foods protect neurons and strengthen internal connections that sustain mental clarity, concentration, and vitality. The benefits are clear: more energy, stronger memory, and renewed spirits. Eating a handful of walnuts a day provides healthy fats. Adding fish twice a week improves cerebral blood flow. These are small, everyday changes that can make a big difference in your life. Letitia, 69, found this to be true. I used to feel sluggish and forgetful. I changed my diet. I added fish, avocado, and red fruits. In just a few weeks, I felt more alert. Her experience confirms that proper nutrition transforms the mind, energy, and daily vitality. Start with small, simple steps: swap soda for water, fried foods for fruit, sweet bread for nuts. It's not about complicated diets, but about making conscious choices every day. Remember, every healthy bite is a direct gift that strengthens your brain and prolongs its clarity. Now, we've already seen 3 pillars: exercising the mind, moving the body, and nourishing the neurons. But one essential element is still missing. Without it, all effort loses its power. That last pillar is rest, accompanied by meditation. Here begins a new stage. Step 4: Rest and meditation. The fourth step is to rest deeply. While you sleep, your brain organizes the day's information and repairs connections. Getting at least 7 hours of quality sleep strengthens memory and promotes neuronal regeneration. Rest isn't a luxury, it's an essential part of neuroplasticity. Meditation also plays a fundamental role. By reducing stress, it allows your brain to release the tension that blocks learning. Just 10 minutes of conscious breathing a day helps improve concentration, inner calm, and memory. The effect is remarkable. Claudia, 70, experienced it firsthand. I had insomnia and felt exhausted. I started meditating and sleeping better. Now I wake up with energy and remember more things. Her story demonstrates that rest and calm are key to brain regeneration. To apply it, establish a daily routine, turn off screens an hour before bed, create a calm environment, and practice deep breathing. Remember, your brain regenerates while you rest. Sleep and meditation become your mind's most important allies. You already know the 4 steps: exercise your mind, move your body, nourish your neurons, and rest deeply. Together they form a perfect circle that enhances neuroplasticity. Now I want to show you how these practices have changed real lives. What follows will inspire you greatly. Real success stories. Carlos, 70, barely remembered phone numbers. After 3 weeks of mental exercises and walks, he was reciting his grandchildren's numbers. I feel alive again, he said excitedly. His transformation motivated several friends to try the method, and they also achieved surprising results. Marisol, 66, thought her memory was lost. I forgot what I cooked. With the steps I learned, I enjoy reading and talking. Now I'm enthusiastic about learning new things. Her experience shows that it's never too late to regenerate your mind and regain confidence. Fernando, 73, stopped dancing for fear of tripping. When he began practicing gentle movement routines, he regained energy and confidence. Today I'm dancing with my wife again, he happily recounted. Furthermore, his memory and mood improved significantly, giving him back his daily enthusiasm. Imagine being the next example. Waking up every morning with enthusiasm, remembering important details, and enjoying activities you'd left behind. That vision isn't a distant dream. Precisely for this reason, these cases confirm that brain regeneration is possible, real, and achievable. Your journey starts today. Today you confirmed something powerful: your brain can regenerate after 60. It only takes 4 simple steps: exercise your mind, move your body, eat well, and rest deeply. With consistency, you'll gain a reliable memory, renewed energy, and the clarity you need to live independently and confidently. Your next step is simple: choose an action to start today. Read for 10 minutes, go for a walk, eat a piece of fresh fruit, or practice deep breathing. The important thing is to do it consistently. Every little bit of effort helps awaken the neuroplasticity within you. And now I ask you, which step will you take first? Exercise, movement, nutrition, or rest? Write it in the comments. Your words also inspire others who are looking to regain mental clarity. Sharing your experience is part of the journey toward a stronger, healthier, and happier mind. If this message inspired you, subscribe and click the bell. You'll receive more tips to take care of your memory and well-being. Remember, your brain can regenerate after 60, and an incredible force continues to grow within you. The most important thing starts today. Every small effort you make will strengthen your memory and your confidence. Do it with love for yourself and those around you. Your mind is stronger than you think. This is your moment to start shining with your full potential. See you in the next video.